Hey friends, and welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a tile and I'm going to turn this into a glorious piece of art that you could use as a trivet, as a plant stand. You could hang on the wall. You could put up on a stand something like this. Let's get going. Here we go. Okay, so for this one, we're going to layer our paints in an order that we hope gets the most amount of bullseye cells or peacock cells. I think I'm going to have to strain this paint, which is why I chose this project, because I only have a little bit of this extra white left, and I'm going to show you an easy way to strain your paint. Get these for $1.25 at the dollar store, and you just dump your paint right in there, and you hope you can strain out any little goobers or things that are stuck in there. Now, I'm on a tear. I'm trying to use up all of the Sherwin-Williams Color to Go paints I have on hand. So I'm working, instead of going and buying more like I love to do, I'm using up what I have. I love Sherwin-Williams. They treat me great. Their paint is great. I think I've got enough paint in here to make this work, but we'll see. All right, I hope so. All right, so, aha, all right, so, ooh, that might be just enough to make this work. We're gonna see. If not, we're gonna have to supplement, right? Look at all the goo in there. This is a good reason to strain your paints. I usually strain all of my paints as I'm working because I know what happens if I don't. Okay, I think we might have enough here. We're gonna see. There we go. All right. Okay, so let's start with this. We're gonna use Benevolence, which is a transparent paint. We're going to put this on the bottom. Okay, we're going to put that on the bottom. All right, next we're going to use Amsterdam. This is Pearl White. I'd like to put a nice hefty amount of this on. A nice dose of it, right? Nice thick paints is what I'm using today. Okay, next is Persephone. And I'm going to put a nice healthy amount right in the middle here. These paints are mixed with my pouring medium, which will be listed in the description. And I did add a slight amount of Josanya varnish to them. All right, and next up we're going to do Hazel Gold by this little piggy. I'm not going to use as much as I want to there. I'm going to do a little bit of Titan Buff. Love this color. All right, and then next up we're using Indigo by Atelier. I've used these colors before. They go so beautifully together. I'm hoping to get a nice deep outline of my cells. Okay, next I'm going to put on the cell activator, and then we're going to blow this out. I'm actually trying a healthy amount here, all right? Oh wow, look at the beautiful cells we're getting. Gorgeous. We're going to give a minute for those cells to come up, and I'm going to torch it because I see quite a few bubbles on top. This is a kitchen torch I'm using. All right, okay. Ooh, look at it. It's beautiful. Now I could embellish it, but I don't think I'm going to. I think I'm just going to wait a few more minutes for the cells to come up, and then I'm going to spin it. What I love about this are the dark outlines on the cells. Aren't those gorgeous? And the cells sitting, they're kind of like 3D. They're sitting up on top of the paint. That's beautiful. Wow, this is going to be just beautiful. Now, this is a little different from what I've been doing. I've actually been trying to use thicker pillow paint and thicker paints on top, and I think this is a great difference. So a shout out of thanks to Lisa Marvin Art and all the other artists that I love to watch. Okay, let's give it a spin. See what happens. Oh, these are just beautiful. Look at that. Now, I'm not too worried about this. This is going to come in, I think. And so far, we've just got a beautiful spin going here. Oh, those paints are so 3D. I'm loving it. Okay, let's keep spinning. One thing I've learned is if you spin too much, you really do lose. You lose your clarity. You lose your cells if you overspin. So I'm trying not to do that. Just take a minute and look at it. Wow, it's coming out beautiful. These colors are spectacular. There it goes. Now it's moving. Oh, that's the thing about using thick paint too, right? Wow, beautiful. Keep going. I love, it looks like it has two eyes looking at us. That's awesome. Oh, it's coming along. Let's see. Come on, paint. Move. Oh, this is so gorgeous and beautiful. So I'm just going to help it along a little bit here by tipping it. I really don't want to lose my pattern too much, so let's bring it back to the middle. Tip it this way, tip it that way. It is so beautiful. Okay, come on, paint. I really want to get it all the way off the edges, and this can be what takes the most time here. Okay, so let's go more this way. Look at how it's filling in. Oh, so cool. So cool. All right, so let's tip it this way a little bit. I'm trying to get this paint to move off, so I shoved it forward, hoping that the momentum will push it off without falling off. Wow, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Come on, paint. That is so cool. I almost think I want to stop right there. I kind of like the corners like that. I think they look really cool. I know I probably got to keep going. Yeah, at the risk of overspinning it, I'm going to stop right here. But look at the size of these cells. Look at these big cells. Oh, that's what I'm always hoping for. So I love these. And Lisa Marvin is right. The way you layer these makes them outline. Wow, I love this. Love it. I can't wait for you to see it. Hey guys, paint on my face as usual. Hey friends, thanks for stopping by. I hope that you subscribe. I hope that you come back and watch my videos. If you go back in time and look at the first ones, you'll see how far I've come. And maybe that's you. Maybe you're trying to learn. Maybe you're just like watching because it's fun to watch. Maybe you like for your kids to watch or your grandkids to watch because it's good for them to see art being made. And everything I do is family friendly. All right, so thanks again for stopping by. I hope to see you again. Take care. I'm going to do a fly over this so you can see what it looks like. I just love this one. I'll see you later. Bye.